Welcome back. Bail order of drug-tainted police sub-inspector Sunil Gudlar is reserved by the special court judge Nutan Sardesai. The order was reserved as Kashinath Shetty intervened in the matter. The arguments on the intervention of application are scheduled on 20th October.
When the matter came for the order on Monday, Kashinath Shetty filed intervention petition in the case. He said that he is the original complainant and crime branch registered the case against Sunil Gudlar and others because of his complaints. Special Court Judge Nutan Sardesai accepted the petition and kept it for argument on 20th of October. Shetty's move has invited more trouble for Sunil Gudlar. Shetty has said that Gudlar may build pressure on the investigating agency through his strong political connections and may suppress witnesses if bail is granted to him. CBI has already informed the court that Sunil Gudlar is not cooperating with the investigation. CBI has also brought to the notice of the court that Gudlar is not answering vital questions regarding the police drug mafia nexus. Gudlar was arrested by CBI on 7th October. Gudlar is the first Goa police officer who was arrested by CBI after taking over the case from the crime branch in July 2010. Our reporter Basuri Desai for Prudent Media.
Shah Commission on Monday said that there is no specific deadline to complete investigation in the illegal mining scam. Members of the Commission had a meeting with Additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Dr. Shashi Kumar, and Director of Mines and Geology, Arvind Lolienkar. Commission has started revisiting all the mines.
Justice Shah Commission Senior Member U.V. Singh and Consultant of the Commission Justice R.A. Mehta had a meeting on Monday morning at State's Guest House in Altino. Speaking off the camera, U.V. Singh informed that there is no deadline to submit the report on illegal mining in the state. Justice R.A. Mehta has joined the team in Goa and will go through the records submitted by various departments. Initial report had suggested that probe would be completed by 25th October. The Commission has already inspected 90-odd operational mines and 30-odd non-operational mines in the state. Sources in the Commission stated that 8 different teams which are formed by Commission will revisit all the mines to cross-check and verify the data. Justice U.V. Singh said that it is not yet decided whether the report would be in 2 phases or a single comprehensive report. Commission has started probing Goa's illegal mining since September. Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Sarvesh Veduskar.
Socialist Party will contest state assembly elections next year. They want to bring a clean government in the state. The party has demanded scrapping of the new land acquisition bill.
Land acquisition bill आलंय हे रद्द झालं पाहिजे. हे land acquisition bill corporate worldला मदत करण्यासाठी आलेलं आहे. It should be scrapped. Number 1. Number 2, मग पॉवर्टी लाईन ठरली पाहिजे. बिलो पॉवर्टी लाईन जे लोक आहेत त्यांना फूड सिक्युरिटी मिळाली पाहिजे. त्याच्यासाठी पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्युशन सिस्टीम ही स्ट्रॉंग झाली पाहिजे. स्टेटनी ही जबाबदारी घेतली पाहिजे.
Socialist Party held a media briefing at Panji on Monday. National President of Socialist Party Bhai Vaidya is in state to boost the poll preparation. He raised a question whether Western modern industrialization is suitable for India.
That is the reason why West Bengal government of CPM filed against farmers. Farmers were killed over there. The basic question is whether the Western model of industrialization is suitable to India. This question is never raised here in Indian debate.
Our reporter from Panji Devidas Kamri with video journalist Tani Narvekar.
Murgaon police along with coastal police are investigating the Vasco smuggling case. On Sunday, 2 motorized canoes were seized with liquor and mobile SIM cards. 5 crew members were arrested in this connection. Police arrested Suresh Rajput on Monday evening for supplying mobile SIM cards without documents.
2 motorized canoes were seized by Coast Guard while illegally carrying liquor and mobile SIM cards on Sunday. 5 crew members were arrested and later handed over to Goa police. They were carrying 18 bottles of liquor and 40 Airtel mobile SIM cards to be delivered to the ships anchored at the port. Coast Guard noticed the canoes while they were on routine patrolling during off the Morgaon port.
When closer, they found that they're not carrying any nets and all, so they were slightly apprehensive. So they immediately told them to stop. They chased a little, and thereafter they were caught, and they found that both the boats were carrying liquor. Altogether, I think 18 bottles from both the boats, and there were 40 SIM cards, new SIM cards, which were recovered from them.
Murgaon police have registered an offence against the five under section 41 of CRPC. Guru Prasad Bansari Yadav, Somesh Rathod, Ful Singh Chauhan, Hariraj Ramakrishna Lodi and Ramesh Hadpat, all from Murgaon, have been arrested.
We are identifying the source from which all these activities are being carried out.
And regarding the Airtel mobile cards,
That is also being looked into.
Kharivado coastline is in the news for suspicious activities from past many years. Many questions are now being raised with the detection of smuggling activity in coastal waters. Who are the suspects having links with these locals who were transporting liquor and SIM cards illegally? How did a distributor sell a huge amount of SIM cards to a single buyer? How did these canoes escape from marine police? Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.